Hey guys, this is David from allweathertvs.com. Just wanted to show you guys the weatherproof SONOS Beam by H2O Block. I have it set up here in my backyard with my C-Lock TV, but let's go ahead and show you guys how weatherproof this SONOS Beam is.
5 of his 12 hits against left-handers are home runs. Doesn't have a lot of hits, but he's made the most of the ones he's had against lefties.
Yeah, that's the thing, is he's not going to sit against left-handers, especially when the postseason rolls around.
As you can see,
He does so many things.
still working. Again, I would not do that with any other SONOS Beam. Only the weatherproof SONOS Beam by H2O Block. You guys can find that at allweathertvs.com.
Because of the pitching,
for free shipping.
probably a slug issue. Somebody's going to get a hold of one here and there. And so far right now, Dodgers, Austin Barnes and Max Muncy.